Today on this episode of Mayhem and Motorcycles, I'm getting ready to meet up with Kickstart Mike so we can head out on a road trip on the new bikes. Yeah, I know, it's not choppers, but Kickstart Mike just got him a new 114, but well, we're gonna head out and take the new bikes, take a cruise and a road trip out somewhere by Austin, Texas. I'm already packed up and situated and got the drone ready for its first road trip, and we'll see how it goes. I'm getting ready with Samson right now, and then I'll head out. Just a reminder, I've got some new Righteously Blessed hats in. YouTube gets to see the first hats first, so here they are. So these ones are in a maroon, and a black. So if you're needing any hats, holler at us and we'll get you taken care of. Now, where were we? Oh, no, not choppers today. Alright, well, I'm gonna get ready to finish last minute packing, speak with Samson, and I'll see you guys on the road.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, I just pulled into town here at the Amarillo Harley Davidson shop. I'm waiting for Kickstart Mike to pull up, and then we'll take the show on the road from here. Hey, hey.
What you doing?
Cooling out.
Buying another bike?
Yeah. Huh? Oh man, just cooling out.
Yeah, I was trying to find a camping place right here. There isn't any.
Oh really?
I mean,
I wonder if these people know.
Try this lake or that lake. I did one place. You get on the internet. You can do it online. Well, I don't want to do it online.
Oh yeah, to pay and all that jazz.
Yeah.
Bam, you can't ask for a cooler spot than this. Well, this is Abilene's Fort Phantom State Park. Pretty cool when you're the only ones here. It's hard to be easy when you're cheesy. So we got a nice little spot right here in the shade. Looks like somebody's out here
Nice spot.
digging some holes.
Somebody had a pork chop. Somebody had a pork chop.
Drone time.
Oh God, this feels so good.